Amazing websites for amazing profits. I earned a lot of money this way and now you can do the same. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to generate $8 per click with this free app. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this after watching this video. But guys, I'm gonna share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profit, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any part. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit the like button if you like this method and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now, let's jump into the first step. So for the first step of our method today, I want you guys to connect to Surfbox.com, and here you can earn money, guys. This is the website which is gonna help us tremendously to make some crazy amounts of money. As you can see, users earn $18,000 without investment, and as you can see, your earnings can be $0.01 per click. Now that might sound like it's a little bit, but it's really not. Because if you think about it, how much does it take to make one click? You can do 100 clicks and you can get $1. Now go and try. How fast can you do 100 clicks? Very fast, right? So this is a great amount of money. It quickly adds up, and this turns out to be a very profitable way of earning money. And all you have to do is do some clicks. It is so easy. As you can see, they accept Payeer and Perfect Money. There's no PayPal, but don't worry, I've got a few other websites which accept PayPal as well. But this is very good website, and you can earn some money per referral clicks as well. And that way, you're gonna set yourself up for some passive income as well, and that is sweet money, guys. So Surfbox.com. Remember the name, come over here, register on this webpage, enter your email and your password, and you're ready to move on. Second one on the list is called scarletclicks.info, and it is over at scarlet-clicks.info, so make sure you spell that one correctly because this is a highly profitable website, guys. As you can see, you can click on ads and get paid up to $0.01 each, up to 100% referral earnings. Now 100% referral earnings, guys. Remember the name Scarlet Clicks. Basically, that means that if you refer someone here, you're gonna get 100% out of everything they earned. Out of everything, guys, 100%. Now you're making double money, and that's all passive income, guys. 100%. Come over here and use that. Don't be a fool, use it. You can earn by clicking ads, completing offers, and referring new members, as I said. And these ads are very easy to click on. It's a very simple job, yet it's so profitable. And you can cash out to Skrill, Neteller, Payeer, AirTM, and Bitcoin account. And the minimum amount to cash out is only $2, guys. That basically means as soon as you hit that threshold of $2, you're able to get your money. Instant payment. Cold hard cash, baby. That's what we love. And I suggest you guys do it in Bitcoin because that way you can keep it in your wallet and wait for the price to go even higher. And that way you're going to set yourself up for some passive income as well. And that's what we love, baby. Passive income. And all you have to do is click on this register button over here, and it will redirect you to this simple web page where you can enter just your basic information about yourself, your email address. Just be sure to enter a valid email address because they're going to send you a confirmation link, and you would need to click on that in order to start using your account. And the third one is my personal favorite, guys. It is ysense.com, and it is spelled as ysense.com, so make sure you spell it correctly, as this is a global online community with multiple earning options. You can join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. Guys, this is my favorite because it is so easy. You would just have to enter your email address over here and your password. Of course, let it be a valid email address because of that confirmation link. And look at this. You can earn cash for taking free paid surveys while influencing the next generation of products, services, and much more, guys. That is so cool and great opportunity to make yourself influential, to influence something. And look at this. You can get paid for trying new products and services, downloading apps, signing up for websites, watching videos, and more. And guys, I love watching videos and earning money. I can just lay in my bed, open my phone, and just put those videos on autoplay, and I earn money while I lay in my bed, guys. That's a great opportunity, and I'm showing it to you because I want you to do the same thing to start and monetizing your time online. So go out there, follow these instructions, and this website also has referral system, and you can see this is 30% of what your referrals make. So if you refer someone and they earn $100 with this website, you're gonna get $30 for free, and you didn't do nothing. Guys, if you ask me, $30 for me without doing nothing, come on. It's a no-brainer. And if you have any doubts about legitimacy of this website, just look at these names down here. Peanut Labs, Tap Research, Pollfish, Sample Cube, Opinion Surveys, Ads and Media, and a few others, guys. Delete those doubts. Come here, follow these instructions, and get yourself some money. And the next website is for you guys who want to make money faster than others. As here, you can get paid every 10 seconds. Every damn 10 seconds, guys. At Bucks Inside, you get paid just for browsing an advertiser's website. And you can cash out instantly, and the minimum amount is $2. Guys, $2 is so easy to get on this website. You will just have to go and visit some websites and you will get paid. I tried it. I just visited some websites. Some of them were great to be on, and I earned money in the process. While doing that, while having some fun, I earned money. And the sweetest thing is this $2. As soon as you get those $2, you can get it instantly to your account, and there is no fuss, no problems at all. Fast cash. All you have to do is click on the register button, this plus icon here, enter some basic information about yourself, and you're all set, guys. And as you can see, Advance Cash, Gold Money, PayPal, Perfect Money, Neteller, Bitcoin, so you can choose whichever payout option you want. You can choose it here, as these guys have great variety of options. And the next website is SERPclicks.com, and this one is a little bit different, guys, because here people come to buy SEO traffic to boost your organic ranks. As you can see down here, these are the steps, and they tell you how to buy targeted website traffic from SERPclicks. Create a free account and get started with a free trial. Use their simple tool and sit back and relax. And they sell the clicks. And we are gonna be those click providers. So what I want you guys to do now is go over here and click on product over here, and then click on become a clicker, because that's what we are. We are clickers, guys. And here you will be redirected to this webpage, and I want you to show you this, guys. I have waited for a long time of this video to show you this. You can earn 0.05 to $0.1 per click. Now, that's way more than the other websites that we have showed. And this is why the patient one of you who have watched the video until this very end, you get this bonus, because this is the highest paying website of all. Imagine, guys, you have to click 10 times, visit only 10 websites, and you're gonna earn $1, guys. This is so easy, and minimum payout is $5. And here you can see that there are plenty of people online which are taking advantage of this sweet money, guys. So 0.05 to 0.1 per click, that's amazing offer, guys. You just have to sit on your computer and do some clicks, and you're gonna get paid massively. That's massive amounts of money in your pocket, guys. Just come over here and use it. It's all open. You don't have to invest anything. No investment. You don't need any skill whatsoever. You can just come here and start doing this. You need to start doing this because you have to start monetizing your time online, and I'm sharing these exact methods so you can do the same. You can earn the same amount of money I do every day if you just follow me. So just come over here, use this website, and look at this. You can use it as a Firefox extension as well, and no application required because anyone from any country can work for SERP We do not filter or interview workers. This is a great option for easy money in countries with low job opportunities, and you can get it through PayPal, guys. And as you had the opportunity to see, it doesn't matter which country you come from. It doesn't matter where you live on earth. You are still able to come here and take advantage of this website. So come over here, use your spare time wisely, invest it into something profitable, and that's how you're gonna make money. And the last page that I want to show you guys today is neobox.com, and this is good one as well. Not good as the previous one, but it's still good. If you have some spare time, I suggest that you visit this one as well, as it is highly profitable. I made a lot of money on this one as well, and you can do the exact same thing if you just follow my instructions. So go out there, guys, take some action. Take some damn action. Don't just sit there and go and visit these websites and get yourself some money. And I will see you in the next video.